సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి ఫర్ మోర్ అప్డేట్స్ బెల్ ఐకాన్ క్లిక్ చేయండి ప్లీజ్ లైక్ అండ్ షేర్ చేసి కామెంట్ చేయండి
pin diagram of the 8085 microprocessor and also pin description of 8085 microprocessor. This is the pin diagram of the 8085 microprocessor. In pin diagram there are 40 pins. These 40 pins are divided into 6 zones. One is the crystal inputs and another is the serial input output, interrupts, address data bus, address bus, timing and control signals. Crystal inputs, first pin and second pin are crystal inputs, that is the x1 and x2. Serial input output, fourth pin and fifth pin are serial input output device. This is the serial output data, this is the serial input data. Third zone is the interrupts. From 6th pin to 11th pin. These 6th pin to 11th pin, these are all interrupt pins. And fourth zone is the address and data bus. 12th pin to 19th pin, address and data bus. Multiplex of address and data, 12th pin to 19th pin. Next, fifth zone is the address bus. 28th pin to 28th pin and 22 pin and 21st pin to 28th pin, 21st to 28th pin. This is the address bus. Totally this is the address bus. This is the address and data bus. This is the only address bus, that is the 21st to 28th. Next, sixth zone is the timing and control signals. These are all timing and control signals. 30th pin to 39th pin is the timing and control signals. One by one pin. Pin x1 and x2 are crystal oscillator circuit. These two pins are connected to crystal oscillator, which devices are internal circuitry of a microprocessor. So these two connectors produce clock for the operation of microprocessor. So finally x1 and x2 are crystal input connectors. These two pins are connected to crystal oscillator. Next, third pin is the reset out. It indicates that the CPU is being reset. Reset out indicates the CPU is being reset. Next, fourth pin and fifth pin, these two are serial output data, serial input data. SOD provides serial output data, which serial input data provides serial input data. Next, interrupts. Trap, reset 7.5, reset 6.5, reset 5.5. These are all interrupt pins. These pins provides from trap to interrupt. These pins provides interrupt input points of the CPU. These are all input points of the CPU. Trap provide non-maskable interrupt request. Reset 7.5, reset 6.5, reset 5.5 provide hardware or vectored interrupt request. Which interrupt interrupt provides interrupt request? This is the interrupt request. Bar interrupt is the output pin. This is the output pin. It sends interrupt acknowledgement signal to the interrupting device. That is the 11th pin. Next, AD0, AD1, AD2, AD3, AD4, AD5, AD6, AD7, AD8, AD7. This is the AD7. These pins are address and data bus. Address and data bus. These pins are provide multiplexed address and data. A is the address, D data. AD0 to AD7 address and data bus. These pins are provide multiplexed address and data output. AD0 provides the least significant digit. AD0 provides the least significant digit. D0, which AD7 provides the most significant digit, which is the D7. Okay, AD0 provides the least significant digit, which is the D0. AD7 provides the most significant digit. Finally, VSS provides the ground point to the chip. Ground point to the chip. Next, 21st pin to 28th pin. These are all address bus. These are all address bus. These pins are provides the higher order of address bits. Higher order of address bits. Next, SO and S1, S0 and S1. These two are, that means 29th and 33 status signals. These two are status signals sent by the microprocessor, the various types of the operations. Okay, S0 and S1. These two operations, for example, this is the S1, this is the S0 operation. The probability chances 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. If these two are zeros, operation is the halt operation. That means stop operation. 0 1 means write operation. 1 0 means read operation. 1 1 means fetch operation. Fetch operation. That means S0 and S1 are status signals. The status signals which microprocessor, which is the halt operation, that means stop operation, write operation 0 1, 1 0 is the read operation, 1 1 is the fetch operation. Next, ALE 30th pin. ALE is the address latch enable. Address latch enable. ALE means address latch enable. Address latch enable pin. It provides the address latch enable signal to separate the address bits from the data bits. This is the provides the address latch enable. These pins, this pin separate the address and address bits from data bits. Next, write. This pin provides microprocessor provides the right signal through this pin. When write equal to 0, the microprocessor writes the data into memory. If this is the 0, the microprocessor writes data into memory. Next 32 pin is the 32nd pin is the read pin. This pin is marked read is low, memory is enabled to, and data can be read. 33 is the S1, this is the status pin. Next 34th pin, IO bar memory, it is status signal. This is also status signal. When it goes high, the address of the address bus is for input output device. When it goes low, the address of the address bus is the for memory location. Next pin is the ready. This is the input pin which provides, this pin provides ready signal. If ready input is 0, the microprocessor wait state. If this is the ready into 0, the microprocessor wait state signal goes to from low to high. It is ready to low to high. It ready is high, the microprocessor connect to the telepaths. Next reset in, 36th pin reset in, which provides reset signal to the CPU. It reset the program counter to 0. This is the program counter to 0. Next 37th pin is the clock out pin. The clock out pin for user which can be used for other digital ICs. Okay, next 38th pin and 39th pin, HLEA and HOLE. A HOLE equal to 1 signal is received by the CPU. This is use a hold acknowledgement. HLEA means HLEA signal to the output to input. A hold equal to 1 signal is received by the CPU. This use a hold acknowledgement to HLEA to the output pin. Okay, next VCC. VCC is the supply pin. This is the 5-volt supply pin. Totally, this is the pin description of the 8085 microprocessor. 8085 microprocessor. VSS provides the, this is the VSS provides the ground point to the chip. This is the power supply pins. Totally, this is the 40 pins description of 8085 microprocessor.